So, in this video, we are going to discuss the boiling points of acids versus alcohols, okay? So, let's start right away. Okay, here we have, let's draw an acid first, something like CH3, C double bond O, and OH. Actually, it should be like this, but whatever. Okay. This is acetic acid, right? And this is a simple alcohol. Let's write it down here. This is acetic acid. And let me write down something like this alcohol, CH3OH. This is two lone pairs of electrons on the oxygen. And here we have this oxygen here. And this is a hydrogen. And this is the CH3 group. Um, So, as you can see here, this is methanol, and this is also a methanol. So, as you can see, there is simply one hydrogen bonding between the two molecules. And you know, in 1 mole of any substance, there is 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 molecules, right? This is in 1 mole of a substance, right? So you can imagine how many hydrogen bonds are formed between the molecules of 1 mole of the substance, for example, like methanol. Okay, so however, in acetic acid, do you think there is only one hydrogen bonding is formed between uh, two molecules of the acid, for example? No, this is not the case. Let's see here. So this is the hydrogen, hydrogen bonding. This is the oxygen here. This is the carbon atom. And this is the CH3 group. So, what you can see here, this oxygen, let me draw it with different colors. Okay, this red oxygen here is the same as this red oxygen here. Okay, and this hydrogen here, let me draw it in blue. So, and this hydrogen here is the same as this hydrogen, right? So, simply, the acid forms two hydrogen bonds. That means the boiling point of the acid will be higher than the alcohol. Why? Because as as told, the higher the number of hydrogen bonds, the higher the boiling point, right? The higher the hydrogen bonds, the higher the boiling point. Same here, huh? Same here. You have only one hydrogen bonds. Here you have two hydrogen bonds, and here you have only one hydrogen bond, right? So here the hydrogen bonds number is lower, so the boiling point of the methanol or even ethanol, so the comparison will be better. So if you think about the molar mass, I know you think about the molar mass. How can you compare methanol with acetic acid? It's not a big deal. The ethanol also has a remarkable lower boiling point than the acid. Any acid should be higher than the boiling points of alcohols. It's not always the case. If you have a larger or a high molar mass alcohol, in this case, yes, it might be that the alcohol, which has a very high molar mass, in terms of boiling point will be higher than the acid, right? But we talk about C10 or C to C20 alcohols in comparison to acetic acid. But if we compare the methanol or ethanol or even propanol, butanol to acetic acid always has a higher boiling point because it forms two hydrogen bonds. I think you got me now. So see you in the next video. Bye.